Good morning, class 8 student. How are you all? Hope you all good, safe, healthy at your home. I'm your computer teacher Shifa Monga from California Public School. So welcome back to the video series of your computer. In the last video, we have completed our chapter number 4, Algorithms and Flowchart. And from this video, we are going to start our new chapter. That is lesson number 2, Spreadsheet, Formulas and Function. So, before going to that, what is spreadsheet? We are using Excel, MS Excel in this chapter. So let's start. One of the important attribute of Excel is its ability to perform calculation either using a formula or a function. In this chapter, we will learn the basics of formula and function and how they can be used in a different scenarios. So Excel, why we are using Excel, MS Excel for performing calculation. किस लिए हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं एक्सेल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर डूइंग कैलकुलेशन एंड फॉर डूइंग कैलकुलेशन वी नीड टू थिंग्स दैट इज़ formulas and functions. Formulas are the user defined instruction to perform calculation. Very important point that formula is a user defined. कौन बनाता है इसको? यूज़र. वाई? टू परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशन. But on the other side, functions are the predefined or inbuilt formula that come with Excel. That means जो formula है that is user defined and functions are predefined or you can say inbuilt, जिसे आप नहीं बनाते हो, सिस्टम आपको बनाकर देता है and you have to just use them. So firstly we are going to discuss formulas in Excel. Formulas are used to perform calculation involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. It is the expression that includes cell address, number, arithmetic operators and parentheses. Using it, you can perform simple as well as complex calculation. That means why we are using formula I used to perform addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, and it established the relationship between two or more cells. As we know that Excel is comprised of a number of cells. What is cell? This is called cell. Clear? So why we use formula? To build a relationship between two or more cells. And how we can build a relationship between them? Including cell address, number, arithmetic operator and parentheses. Formulas must be begin with a equal to symbol followed by cell reference. Reference means address. You can also say its address. इसका जो एड्रेस होगा, दिस इज सेल एंड द एड्रेस ऑफ दिस इज कॉल्ड सेल एड्रेस. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट एवरी फॉर्मूला मस्ट बी इनिशिएटेड विद equals to sign. It may contain a few or all the below mentioned elements. Number 1, references. References a cell or a range of cell that you want to include in your calculation. Reference क्या होगा? It can be a single cell or a range of cell to perform calculation. Number 2, operators. Symbols like plus, minus, equals to, exponent, modulus, dollar, hash, etc. that specify the operation to be performed. Operators आपको ये बताते हैं what kind of operation you are going to perform. Constant, number or a text values that do not change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 17, 18. So these are the number that are called constant and you cannot change them. Functions, and we know what is function. They are the predefined formulas in Excel. So this is how we can write a formula. As I can already told you that equals to, why we use equals to sign? Formula must begin with a equals to. So this is how we can use equal to just before formula start. A2 is a cell address plus B2 is a cell address equals to, it is the operator, 5 is a constant, sum is a function name, E3 is a address, E5 is a address. This is called range. E3 to E5 means 3 cells are included here. E3, E4, E5. Clear? So after this, how we can create a basic formula? Basic formula involves only one type of operator in it. Let us use it to calculate the sum of the numbers B2 to B7 and display the result in B8. So let's go to this page. So this is how we can perform. So here is a heading name month, and the second column, first column is month, second column is number of units sold. On the month side we have January to June month and total sale, and here we have the unit to be sold in. January में कितने units? 1000, Feb 2000, March 1500, April 2000, May 1300, June it's 1100. So you want to sum of them. आपको इन सब का total करना है. The thing is, this is very important. Firstly, you have to put equals to. Then what is B2? B and 2 value is 1000. So we can't write 1000 direct 1000 here. You have to just write the cell reference or cell address. 1000 का cell address क्या है? You have to first see the column, then row. It's B2. Okay. Plus 2000. It's B3. Plus B4. It's B4. Then 2000. B5. Then B6, then B7, and after this you have to press enter key. Cell B8. So answer किसमें आ जाएगा? This will be replaced with the summation of these items. Now press the enter key. Cell B8. It's B8 will display the total of all the value from B2 to B7. Clear? So after this we have using compound formula. What is compound? Compound means more than one. Compound. So in this topic we will use two formulas. In the first one we have used only one formula, that is plus, but in this we are going to use combination of operator or combination of formulas. Okay, what is the formula of simple interest? It's a P into R into T upon 100. So we are going to use this formula. This is a compound formula. We have multiplication as well as divide. So we have two operators in this, multiplication and divide. So this is called a compound formula. So let's do it. Okay, so this is you have to write the principal 4500, rate 5, time in years 3. So simple interest equals to, what is the address of 4500? It's B2. Okay, B2. Next into B3 into B4 divided by 100, and after press the enter key, the cell B6 answer will be display in the cell number B6. So after that the cell B6 display the calculated simple interest. So this is how you will perform compound formula. So after this we have using formula on text. How you can use a formula on a text? What is text? ABCD. So let's do it. So we can also perform addition on characters and string data type. What is character? Suppose I have written A, so this is a single word A, that is why it is called character. If I'm write Amit, so it is a string because it is a collection of character. So single letter is called a character, and the combination of a letter is a called string. Except for addition, other operations like subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. are not allowed in the on the string data type. But there is a problem here. But you can also use only plus addition. You cannot use division, subtraction और मॉड्यूलस ऑन स्ट्रिंग डेटा टाइप. आप सिर्फ प्लस यूज़ कर सकते हो, और उसके लिए भी यू हैव टू यूज़ दिस एम्परसेंड सिंबल. ओके, is used to perform addition of two or more text values called concatenation. Suppose I want to write Amit Sharma. It's a name of a person, it's the first name, and this is the last name. If you want to combine it, then you have to use concatenation operator. Clear? So let's do it. Enter any string type value in cell A1 and B. Say Kips in A1 and India in B1. So it's okay. Amit Sharma nahi lete. Let's go with the example of the book. A1 has a Kips. Okay. And B1 has a India. Okay. And they are separated now, but you have to concatenate them. You have to join them. How can you do it? So enter the formula equals to, very important because every formula start with the equals to sign. A1 concatenate B1 in cell C1 and press the enter key. It will display Kips India in cell C1. So what is the value of A1? A1 Kips. What is the value of B1? India. And after using A1, और यहाँ पे आप लिखोगे equals to A1 concatenate B1, and just after pressing the enter key, this will show you Kips India. Clear? And they are together now. And here is a note also. You can add space between the joint values by enclosing single space with quotation marks, for example. But if you want to have a space in Kips India, you can also do it. You have to write the space like this in the double quotes. Okay, this will yield Kips India. So class, this is all about today's period. In the next period we will do further more topics of this chapter. So till then, take care, bye, and have a good day.